How to remove text from video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove text from your videos using CapCut. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone and go to the media and upload your video clip. Now, once you have added it, simply select the clip that you want to edit. And as you can see here, the CapCut don't have any options or button to remove the text from video. But don't worry, I'll show you a workaround from which we can remove text from video. So first thing first, scroll through the options at the bottom of the screen and simply tap on overlay. Now tap on add overlay and select the same video clip that you have added earlier. And now once you have added it, simply tap on the original video clip and at the bottom you'll see the options. So simply scroll through the options and tap on effects. Now tap on video effects. Now simply tap on the search bar and search for blur effects. Now tap on it and apply it to the original video clip. Now once you have added the effects to the original video clip, now adjust the overlaid video clip to the aspected ratio of the video. And once you're done with that, and now let's say I want to remove this search text at the center of the screen. So to do that, simply scroll through the options and here you can see the mask option. So simply tap on that. Now after that, choose rectangle mask and position it over the text. Now adjust the mask as needed to be blend with the background. And after that, here at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the invert option. So simply tap on that. Once you do that, you have successfully removed text from a video in CapCut. And that's it. That's how you can remove text from video in CapCut using this simple method. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.